What's up, everybody? Sensei here. Welcome to the show. Welcome to another video. This shout out goes to Paul Stallone from Rise for doing the repairs on my RS and my buddy Cokeet Robinson's Sherman. Now that that is out the way, I want to make this very clear that I did not have on 1 ounce of gear, but I had to test ride the RS to make sure everything was running properly. So these next few clips are going out to the helmet police, because I know y'all going to be down in the comments whining and crying and tell me that I should have some gear on. I understand that, okay? But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. I took the chance today, we're without gear. So these next clips are for y'all, for those that want to be crying down in the comments. Enjoy.
What's up, everybody? Sensei here, and I have another treat for y'all today. So I'm going to show you what my chariot of choice is that I'm rocking on. All right, so here we go. Hold on, I got a car coming. So here we go. I'm on the MTEN4, going back to my roots. It might tilt you back. I'm over here with Paul Stallone. He's gonna fix the fan on my RS. But I tell you what, man, this MTEN4 feels good, very nimble. Because I started out on the MTEN3, so being on this MTEN4 just feels, it's like bringing back memories, man. Wow. Get in some wobbles. Mr. Cokeet, how are you today, brother?
Hey, what's going on, man? Getting our wheel service.
So what are you getting worked on today?
My Sherman, it's got some kind of vibration once it gets warm, but I'm not sure what it is. We opened it up and we thought the axle was loose or something, but they're gonna check that right now. But
awesome. First impression of the MTEN4. It's not gonna be an open road wheel, not at all. But it's nice if you want to do tricks, learn how to ride backwards, you want to learn how to pendulum, that type of thing. It's a great backpack wheel. And even though this is my first impressions, I learned on the MTEN3, so I pretty much, you know, this feels better than the M10. Seems a little bit bigger. Feels great. This is like a last mile wheel, something you can throw in your backpack if you're getting on a bus, getting on a train. Now, is it something that I want to ride through the streets of New York City on? No, not me. I don't, you know, you hit a pothole or something with this thing, you're gonna be in for one effed up day. So I wouldn't do that. But just to knock around, like a pit wheel, if that makes any sense of what I'm saying, how they have little pit bikes, that'd be great. But overall, it's a nice wheel. Pads are pretty cool. Now, these are Clark pads on there, so I can't get my foot completely underneath it, and I'm not going to take Paul's pads off, so that's why I was getting some wobbles. But overall, it's a nice wheel. Check out the light in the back. I always said this reminds me of Claptrap. Borderlands is the game. I used to play that a lot. But if you paint this thing yellow, especially with the big headlight, it looks like Claptrap. But yeah, good wheel. Good solid wheel. Metal, nice headlight. Now these pads are a little hard on the inside of the calf. And mounting this wheel is no joke. Let's see if I can even do it now. Make a fool of myself. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's definitely. Woo! Here we go. Bring back memory. It is a backpack rocket. Wow. Look how you can just turn like that, dude. That's something else, dude. What? Turns you can make on this thing is insane. So there you have it. My first impressions of the MTEN4. I love it for a backpack wheel. Takes me back to my roots of learning how to ride on the MTEN3. Dude, this thing is massive and smooth, bro.
It's a Cadillac.
It might be heavier than a Cadillac.
Very, very smooth. V13 is so smooth, but it's massive. What's up, brother?
The whole wheel.
Oh.
It just threw smoke all over the place, and they were afraid that it was going to extend out and hit the battery. So they put that cover on just to keep it. And your fan is in the typical spot.
So we cracked this thing open. We removed a case that was covering the control board. Now I'm just going to buzz this thing around to see if the fan will kick on, see if the wheel's going to heat up and tilt me back. That's the problem I was having last time.
I don't know what it is about the RS19, whether it's the high speed or the torque version, but these wheels are phenomenal. The whole form factor is incredible. It really is. It feels great. It's planted to the ground. It's nimble. It's easy to toss this thing around. And you can pick up an RS19 on a used market dirt cheap right now because people are dumping these wheels. So I would highly recommend, make sure you know the rider that you're getting it off of. But if you can find one, pick one up. You won't be disappointed. And this is just me riding in Liberty State Park. This will probably be this was my first time, and this will be the last time that I ride here. I just really don't want the hassle. But overall, it is picturesque, beautiful setting. But man, you just don't want to be hassled while you're riding. But overall, happy with the repairs to the RS. Everything feels great. And big shout out and thank you everyone supporting the channel and liking these videos. And we're just going to keep this channel going, keep it growing. And remember, you get on your wheel, you ride it like you hate it. You be safe out there, but you ride it like you hate it. I'm Sensei. Hello, good night, and enjoy the rest of the video.